Welcome to the MakeSpace Cricut Venture orientation. The goal of this orientation is to give you the confidence to independently use the Cricut Venture at MakeSpace. We'll cover general expectations for using shared equipment, what the Cricut Venture actually is and what it can do, and the basic workflow from file setup to cutting, some best practices to help avoid common mistakes, and finally, how personal use works at MakeSpace. One of the most important parts of using shared equipment is shared care. Always make sure you leave enough time at the end of your session to properly clean up and reset the space for the next person. That means saving and closing your work, shutting down machines, organizing usable offcuts, and putting tools back where they belong. At MakeSpace, we try to leave the space better than we found it. So if you notice a quick cleanup task that needs doing, please help out where you can. Don't just clean for yourself, clean for the next member. So the Cricut Venture is a wide format smart cutting machine. It's designed to cut, draw, score, and help produce clean, repeatable designs quickly and accurately. Compared to smaller Cricut machines, the Venture is built for larger projects and higher volume work. It can handle long cuts using roll-fed materials, which makes it useful for signage, decals, production runs, and workshop projects. At MakeSpace, people commonly use it for things like stickers, vinyl decals, heat transfer vinyl for clothing, paper crafts, labels, and signage. The machine works by feeding material through the machine while a blade or tool moves across the surface. Depending on the attachment being used, it can cut, draw, score, perforate, or emboss designs automatically. Users prepare the files in Cricut Design Space, load the material, and then send the design to the machine to be processed. One of the biggest strengths of the Cricut Venture is precision and repeatability. It can cut a wide range of materials, including vinyl, cardstock, bonded fabric, leather, and some other materials. It can cut detailed shapes much more accurately and efficiently than hand cutting, especially for repetitive designs. And different tools can be installed depending on the task. So, for example, the machine can draw using pens or score fold lines for paper projects and packaging. And because it supports long materials and repeated cuts, it's especially useful for production style workflows. The Venture supports a variety of attachments depending on the type of project you're making. Different tools allow the machine to cut, draw with pens, emboss, perforate, or score fold lines, but not every Cricut attachment is available at MakeSpace. This gives you a general sense of the types of operations the machine is capable of.